everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today we're going to make a very simple tiffin recipe that you can prepare in just about 15 minutes. This is Semiya or Vermicelli Upma. Let's get started and check it out. First we'll start by roasting the Semiya. I'm using 1 cup of vermicelli here, which measures about 250 ml. Heat a kadai, add just a teaspoon of ghee or oil if you prefer, and roast the Semiya gently. Since this is plain unroasted vermicelli, it's important to roast it until it slightly changes color and turns golden. If you get the pre-roasted variety from the store, you can skip this step. Once done, transfer it to a plate and keep it aside. Now to the same kadai, add a tablespoon of oil and a little bit of ghee for flavor. When it heats up, add 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and a small handful of cashew nuts. Fry them until the dal turns golden and the cashew nuts give out a nice aroma. If you don't want to add cashews, you can replace them with peanuts. They taste equally good. Now let's add a small piece of finely chopped ginger, 2 slit green chilies, a few fresh curry leaves and 1 finely chopped onion. Saute everything well for a couple of minutes until the onion turns soft and slightly golden. Now it's time to add the vegetables. For this recipe, I'm adding 1 small carrot chopped, 1/4 cup of green peas and 1/4 cup of chopped beans. Mix them all in. Adding vegetables is totally optional, but trust me, it makes the dish more colorful, tasty and definitely healthy. In fact, if you make it this way, you can even pack it for lunch boxes for kids or adults. Sprinkle a teaspoon of salt or as required and mix everything together nicely. At this stage, take the same cup you measured the Semiya with and pour 1.5 cups of water. Let the water boil well so the vegetables cook nicely. We've made so many Upma recipes and Semiya recipes already. Do check out the links in the description for variations you might enjoy. Once the water has boiled and the vegetables are cooked, close the kadai with the lid and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the vegetables will be tender, the flavors will be infused and the water will be bubbling hot. Reduce the flame to a low and gently add the Semiya into the kadai. Stir continuously so it doesn't clump up. Cook it on low flame until all the water is absorbed and the Semiya becomes soft and fluffy. If you want to add a bit of extra color, sprinkle in just a pinch of turmeric powder. It not only gives a bright yellow tint but also enhances the look of the dish beautifully. After 5 minutes, the Semiya Upma is almost ready. Add in a few chopped fresh coriander leaves and drizzle a teaspoon of ghee. Mix gently and close the kadai for 5 minutes. Let the flavors get absorbed. And that's it. Our soft, tasty and aromatic Semiya Upma is ready to be served. You can serve it with some nice hot sambar and coconut chutney by the side, or enjoy it with some pickle or a cup of curd, or enjoy it as is. This dish is quick, wholesome and perfect for those mornings when you want something filling yet easy. So next time someone in your house says no to Upma, surprise them with this flavorful Semiya Upma and they're sure to change their mind. Well, it's time to taste this Vermicelli Upma. The flavors are just perfect. And the vermicelli is cooked to perfection. Well, this is a very simple and wonderful dish, and it also makes for a perfect lunchbox recipe. Make sure to follow all the tips to get it perfectly. Do try it, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.